Welcome to Review and Adventure Hub. In today's video, we present an in-depth unboxing and review of the BE-240 heating pad, model HT00240. An advanced Taiwan-made physiotherapy heating pad designed to relieve pain in various parts of the body, including arms, legs, back, abdomen, elbows, knees, shoulders, and ankles. Whether you're dealing with arthritis, muscle soreness, post-injury stiffness, or chronic joint pain, this heating pad can be a game changer. As you can see on the underside of the box, there's a clear section titled Important Safety Instructions. Do not destroy. This part includes all the key safety precautions you must follow to avoid any risk of burns, electric shock, fire, or accidents while using the heating pad. We begin with a clean step-by-step unboxing of the BE-240 heating pad. Here's what you'll find inside the box. Inside the box, we get this user manual. It includes all the safety instructions you need to follow, especially how to use a heating pad safely on different body parts. It clearly shows 10 application areas with pictures and details like the neck, shoulders, back, abdomen, knees, and more. It also explains the temperature settings low, medium, and high, and tells you how to choose the right heat level for your comfort and pain relief. Another good thing is that the manual is provided in multiple languages: English, Turkish, French, and Arabic, so it's really user-friendly and accessible for everyone. Here's the main heating pad unit itself. It's quite a generous size, 30 by 60 centimeters, so it covers a good area whether you're using it on your back, abdomen, or legs. You also get this soft, washable cover with tied bands, which helps keep the pad comfortably in place while you're using it. The cover can be removed easily and washed whenever needed to keep everything clean and hygienic. And here's the power cord, which is compatible with both 110-volt and 220-volt outlets, so you can use it in different countries without any problem. This makes it very convenient if you travel or live in a region with different voltage standards. It's well built with a durable insulated design, and it's long enough to give you some freedom to move around or use it from your bed, couch, or even an office chair. Next up is this temperature selector knob. It's a rotatable dial, very easy to use. Just twist it to choose between heat levels. You have low, medium, and high settings, so you can adjust based on your personal comfort and the severity of your pain or muscle tension. Now, let's take a closer look at the main heating pad unit itself. Right here on the surface of the pad, you'll see some clearly printed information, and it's very important to read and follow these safety instructions carefully. It's marked as a genuine wet-proof multi-heat electric heating pad, only for household use. And lastly, the word danger is printed in bold, reminding us that this is an electrical device, and misuse can cause burns or even electric shock. Always follow the instructions in the user manual. Never fold the pad while it's in use, and avoid using it while sleeping or unsupervised. So, before using the pad, especially without the cover, always make sure the surface is clean and dry, and never plug it in if there's any visible damage to the unit or cord. The size is 30 by 60 centimeters, which is ideal for covering a wide range of body parts, from your back, shoulders, and abdomen to your legs, knees, or arms. The material quality feels premium right out of the box. The inner layer of the heating pad is 100% moisture-proof and made with durable vinyl, so it protects the heating element inside and ensures safety even if you're using it with a moist sponge for moist heat therapy. The build feels sturdy, yet the pad is flexible and lightweight, which makes it comfortable to wrap around joints like knees or elbows. Overall, the craftsmanship reflects Taiwanese quality standards, durable, safe, and built for long-term use. The BE-240 runs on 110V or 220V and uses standard AC input 50/60 Hz. It heats up quickly and consistently, ideal for therapy sessions ranging from 15 to 30 minutes. You'll watch us plug the pad in and demonstrate how fast it warms up. Within 2 to 3 minutes, the pad reaches optimal warmth. Whether you want a gentle, soothing heat for cramps or a stronger therapeutic level for deep tissue pain, this pad adapts well. For its quality, versatility, and price point, the BE-240 heating pad truly stands out. Thanks for joining me in this full hands-on experience with the BE-240 heating pad from Taiwan. Whether you're using it for fitness recovery, chronic pain, or just relaxation, this pad offers excellent value, comfort, and performance. It's reliable, safe, and easy to maintain. Highly recommended for your home therapy setup. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Review and Adventure Hub for more real-time reviews, unboxings, and helpful product demos. See you in the next video.